it's Hi5 Trainer. In this video, I'm gonna make a ninja star and a popper. So let's go into the video. So let's start off by making a ninja star. To make a ninja star, you need 2 sheets of paper. Firstly, you take one of your sheets and fold it in this way. So what we are doing now is trying to make a square out of this A4 paper. So that's one of the square, and using the second sheet you do exactly the same thing. So now we made 2 squares. Now take one of your sheets again and fold it into half. And fold it into half again. Crease it really properly so you can really see the sides and fold properly. And now do the same to the other sheet of paper. And fold the sheet. And fold the other sheet. And now you have something looking like this. Now this is where you have to do something different. As you can see the creases here, which divide this paper into half, and the same over here. On the right hand of the sheet of this paper, you have to put it up in the way I'm showing you, and the other side you put it down. But on the other sheet, because we kept the right side up here, we do the right side down over here, like the opposite, and the left side up. So now you have something looking like this. Turn them over and fold them in this way so that there'll be a different side. So if you fold it in the opposite way, you'll see it going straight, but if you have to fold it in the other way, so the point should be sharp. And do the same to the other side in this way, and do the same to the other sheets of paper. So there you go. Now take one of your sheet of paper and put it over, twist it and put it over the other one. Now, as you can see the gaps, and open one of your side and put this part in it. And this is literally what you do for all the sides. So that's one of it. And there. So just put it in the gaps. And over here, put it into this gap. And generally the last one is the hardest one, because you don't have any options but to put it in. And sometimes you have to adjust it because it doesn't fit into it properly. So now you have the final adjustments to do, which is like pulling the sides a bit far from others and pushing them in, and then you're done. And so this is how a ninja star looks like. Now let's make a pauper. To make a pauper, you only need an A4 size of paper or anything similar. So firstly, take your sheet of paper and fold it into half vertically. So in that way, and open it. And where you can see the crease, fold the top bit until the crease. And fold it again. And turn your sheet of paper and fold it to the outward line. And there's your pauper. So this is how your pauper works. You open it, and the lower you can get this part, the louder the sound would be. But if you get it too low, this much, you can't make any sound because it's going to go over the place you keep your hand. So let's make a sound out of it. So there you go, that's how you make a pauper. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified whenever I upload another video.